Hello and welcome to day 95 of Bedtime Welsh, almost at the big 100. And today we're going to be using the word you learnt in the last session, Pam, a little bit more. So hopefully this won't be too tricky, or we might get you with a couple of them. Okay, to start, how about, so you remember that why is Pam. How about I know why?
Dwi'n gwybod pam.
Dwi'n gwybod Pam. Da iawn. Okay, how about I know what?
Dwi'n gwybod beth.
Dwi'n gwybod beth. And if you got that right, that's brilliant, because you've actually never heard it put together like that before in your life, I don't think. Unless I'm forgetting things, which is entirely possible. Okay, how about I know what you want?
Dwi'n gwybod beth wyt ti isio.
Dwi'n gwybod beth wyt ti isio. Actually, now I say that one, I think they might have had that one before, mightn't they? Oh, well, never mind. It's all good practice. Okay, now, how about I know who?
Dwi'n gwybod pwy.
Dwi'n gwybod pwy. And we're just going to ignore the dog asking to go out for a moment, aren't we? Yeah. Last one for today. I know who is in the garden.
Dwi'n gwybod pwy sydd yn yr ardd.
Dwi'n gwybod pwy sydd yn yr ardd. And we actually do now, don't we? Because it's the dog. Because that was somebody else letting him out, wasn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. So that's your lot for today. And we'll have some more for you as soon as we get the next session done. Mel, try and make that tomorrow, yeah? Maybe? Okay. Hwyl am y tro.
Ta!